Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 403. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app. By going to App Drawer. Thanks to Files Manager, we've got access to your recent files, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, collections, and internal storage. Also, you can use share function to quickly send and receive files, clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone, and in the end you can go to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.